Hi everyone, in this video I will share my birthday photo shoot. And we are here at the beach, because this is where we will do my photo shoot. First I blew up my number balloon. I bought this at Shopee Philippines. This is my first time blowing up a balloon like this, and it takes my breath away. I used a straw to inflate the balloon. After I inflated the balloon, we immediately started our photo shoot. And my super supportive friend Kumari is my photographer. And I am so blessed that we are together again, even though we are not in the same place. I'll show you what I wore and where I bought it. This is my red sexy dress I bought on Shein. And I bought my 32-inch number balloon from Shopee. And with this number candles. And the cake I bought here in Sihanoukville. For my second outfit, I bought it from the marketplace on FB in the Philippines.
Five natin. Ang cute mo dyan. Ay, 23. Sakto. Yung suot natin. Oh. After photoshoot, ang daming bitbit.
Gagamitin talaga natin itong floater. Swimming tayo.
Maliligo ka ng ganyan. Maliligo po kami sa dagat, pero yung kasama ko, ayaw niya makitim, oh.
Kumain na tayo pag maligo, pangit naman ito.
Ang linis ng tubig at uy, may mga fish. Sobrang linis, oh. White sand din. Ang daming naliligo. Yan na yung perfect? No. Parang ang taba ng ano.
Wait lang. Kailangan matabang ano.
Perfect na yan!
Matabang
Yan yung kanyang tower.
pundasyon. Wala kasi.
Yan kasi nangangaliwa eh.
Wala kasi.
Hindi tuloy perfect.
Wait lang. Medyo maliit. Maliit ang talaga yung wait lang ha. Nak!
Inuhulma pa niya, inuhulma.
Nak! Totoo tayo. Look natin totoo tayo.
Kanina patatayan mong sak.
Nak! Lagyan natin ang ano.
Ganyan ba humawak?
Ha?
Ganun humawak?
Eh kasi kaliwa. Hello. Kaya ko dami ng wait lang, kailangan mo na ba? Hindi naman, kaso
Ang power ni Alice. Kakain. na.